This is Anupama. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from pair of straight lines. The question is product of lines of perpendiculars drawn from this point for this lines. Okay, for this pair of lines. So first to take this equation 12x square plus 25xy plus 12y square. I am just using first this equation for the time separating the two lines. Okay, here what we'll get? 12 into 12 is 144. For 144 more factors you have to take, more factors. That is, if you take 2, you will get 72. If you take 3, you will get 40. 3 4s are 12, 24. 3 8s are 24. Next 4 table, 4 3s are 12. 4 6 are 24. Next 6, if you take 6 2s are 12, 6 4s 24. Next 8 you will take. If you take 8, 8 1s 8, 8 8s. Next coming to 9, 16s. If you take 9 into 16, you will get 144, and even 9 plus 16 you will get 25xy. So in that sense, I am taking here 9xy plus 16xy. So 12x square plus 16xy plus 9xy plus 12y square, which is equals to, in this two you take 4x common. Here remains 3x plus 4y plus 3y common. Here 3x remains, 3x plus 4y. That equals to 3x plus 4y into 4x plus 3y. Okay, you will get, for these two equations, if you don't have constant terms, you will get the equation in this way. But here in this equation we got even xy terms and constant term also we got. So for that, what we should have one more constant term you must have for these equations. Okay, that how we will get, if we equate this equation and these two equations with the constant terms, you will get get the C1 C2 value. So first equate the equation 12x square plus 25xy plus 12y square plus 10x plus 11y plus 2 is equals to, now equate these two equations, which is 3x plus 4y plus c1 into 4x plus 3y plus c2. Okay, if you do that, now again 12x square 25xy plus 12y square plus 10x plus 11y plus 2 is equals to, what you will get? Multiply these two equations. 3x 4x is 12x square, 3x into 3y, that is plus 9xy plus 3c2x plus next term 4 16xy plus 12y square plus 4c1y plus 4c1y plus, next coming to constant, multiply this with this. What you will get? 4c1x plus 3c1y plus c1 c2. Now if you observe, we can observe that 12x square 25xy, 9 plus 16 25xy, 12y square 12y square. Why I cancelled? If you take those terms other side, they will become negative. So positive and negative terms will be get cancelled, right? That's why I cancelled. Okay. Next, what left? 10x plus 11y plus 2 is equal to, this is x term, this is x term. So take x common here. What you will get? 4c1 plus 3c2 into x plus, this is y term and this is y term. You can take y common again. 4c1 plus 3c1 plus 4c2 into y plus c1 c2. Now compare the coefficients of left hand side and right hand side. Okay, 4c1 plus 3c2 equals to 10. Take this as 1, And what left? 3c1 plus 4c2 equals to 11. This is second equation. Now solve the equations. You will get c1 and c2 values. So I am multiplying this by 3 and this by 4. So what you will get here in the first term? 12c1 plus 9c2 equals to 30 and 12c1 plus 16c2 equals to 44. Now subtract. Minus, minus, minus. These two get cancelled. 9 minus 16. 9 minus 16 what you will get? Minus 7c2 equal to minus 44 plus 30. You will get minus 14. Minus minus cancel. C2 is equals to 14 by 7 which is equals to 2. Okay. Now substitute C2 value in any of the two equations. I am substituting in the first equation, that is 4c1 plus 3 into 2 equals to 10. 4c1 plus 6 equals to 10. 4c1 equals to 4. That means 10 minus 6 is 4. C1 equals to 1. So we got C2 and C1. So what we can write the equations as 3x plus 4y plus 1 equal to 0. This is equation 1. A you take. 4x plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation B. Now we have to find the lengths of the perpendiculars drawn from 2, 1 to these two lines. Okay? Perpendiculars from 2, 1 to the, sorry here length, to the given equations is formula what? If you take 2 as x1, 1 is y1. So a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. That is the formula. That is the formula. Okay, now substitute. First take this equation. 3x plus 4y plus 1 equals to 0. Okay, take that equation. So substitute 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1 plus c what 1 by root of 3 square plus 4 square which is equals to 6 plus 4 plus 1 by root 9 plus 16, that equals 11 by root 25 which is equals to 11 by root 5 square. Square root cancel, you will get 11 by 5. Next, other equation. What is the other equation? Second equation we have 4x plus 3y plus 2 equals to 0. Okay. For this equation, we have to find the distance, perpendicular length. So 4 into 2 plus 3 into 1 plus 2 by root of 4 square plus 3 square which is equals to 8 plus 3 plus 2 by root 16 plus 9 equals to 8 plus 3 how much? 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13 by root 25. Again which is equals to 13 by root 5 square. Square root get cancelled and you will get 13 by 5. Okay, 13 by 5. So product, what you will get? Product is equals to 11 by 5 into 13 by 5. Right? 11 by 5 into 13 by 5. What you will get fractions if you multiply two fractions, what you will do? Numerators will be multiplied, denominators will be multiplied. So 11 13s 143 by 5 5 25. Okay, this is the solution. This is the product of lengths of perpendiculars drawn from the given pair of line equation. Got it? Okay.